Hi guys, thank you all for joining in. I'm sorry for first of all for the delay. There was an issue, a technical issue, essentially with Herman tuning in. He thought he was going to be able to, but something just kind of came up out of our control at the last minute. So I'm going to relay the message to you that Herman wanted to share in brief. Um, the bridge is being pushed. Essentially now we're going to reschedule the chat until Friday at the same time. So Friday is it 4 p.m., 3 p.m. I'll clarify that and post it in the chat now in 2 minutes. Was really sorry about this. It was totally unforeseen circumstances. The dev team and the founders are working very, very hard to get the bridge out as soon as possible. We will recommence this chat on Friday. We'll have more to talk about then, and the bridge will be done by then. That's the message. I'm really sorry about that again. We don't like to cancel things last minute, but we will. All focus at the moment is on the bridge issue, which I think the community appreciates as the number one priority. I want to deliver that as quickly as possible. Everything is the way it should be. The developers and the founders are very confident about everything to do with it. It's just a question of pushing this out now. I believe that either myself or Herman or Boer will update in the chat in a couple of hours as to the launch progress of that as well. And we will have a very good chat. It's actually maybe for the best that we delay this call until Friday, because on Friday we will have completed the bridge. So we won't have to talk about the details on that because it's just done. And then also we will have more time and more bandwidth to discuss some of the other things going on with the project. So I think essentially what we'll do is let's reschedule this. In summary, we'll reschedule this until Friday, and we'll have a more elaborate and congratulatory AMA on Friday because the bridge will be done. Thank you all for tuning in. I know a lot of people are keen to take part in the quiz. Apologies again. We've just been so busy with everything that's going on that I haven't gotten around to sorting out our prize wallet to send out the prizes. A couple of people, I was talking to two of you today just to extend my apologies that we will get the prizes sorted. In the meantime, you will see the results from today's quiz, and the quiz itself, of course, will be done within the next couple of hours, and we'll shoot out the prizes to people between now and let's say next end of close of business UTC on Monday. And in the meantime, of course, the most important thing is the bridge will be done very soon. It's been a bit hectic on our end, but not so much hectic, just challenging. As you know, Cherry is a innovative and fairly pioneering project that's tackling important and we hope lucrative issues in the Web3 space. And for this reason, it can be tricky to envisage exactly how to execute some of the things in the release of, let's say, the bridge, for example. But I know that the community are very patient at times, somewhat, and understandably, kind of wanting answers, and that's fine. But long story short, good news, the bridge is being pushed as we speak. And I will talk to you guys later on this evening in the chat. I'll probably just summarize what I said now for the people who haven't been able to tune in. And then we will have an expanded and much more fun AMA on Friday afternoon at this time on Friday. I'm not sure if that's 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. UTC, but it will be at whatever this time is in 48 hours time, or 47 hours and 40 minutes from now is when we're going to do that. So I'll actually just set the timer in the chat immediately so that anybody coming late to the discussion will know exactly what's going on. Again, apologies about that, but it is for good reason. And we are confident that you'll be happy with the results and the discussion we're going to have on Friday as well. So I'm going to leave it there. John is going to take over and he's going to run the quiz for us as usual. And then, as I mentioned, any quiz winners and stuff like that waiting to be, addressed that will happen over the next few days as well. Again, apologies about that. It's just been a very a very high tempo and challenging few weeks, but it's going well. So I'll leave it there. Thank you for tuning in. Sorry to waste your time. And I will talk to you guys in the group in just a few minutes. Thanks very much.